There are a lot of methods available on the net to keep flowers fresh. We are going to test 3 ways here. We placed 3 waste bottles and added the water to the first bottle. Next we added water to the second bottle. Then we added aspirin into it. After adding aspirin into it, we close the lid and shake it so that the tablet gets mixed. In the third bottle, we added plant food that we prepared at home using 4 ingredients. Next, we put a bunch of 2 flowers in each bottle. We placed the bottle in a location with lots of light and filmed a time lapse over the course of 1 week to measure how each method held up against time and against each other. After running the time-lapse for 1 week, the results were clear. The flowers with the flower food were still standing straight up and their petals felt silky and hydrated, as if they were bought just a day ago or so. All the rest of the flower bunches were significantly slumped over compared to the bottle with flower food. Now, to make plant food, you need a spoon, sugar, a bowl, lemon juice, bleach, and water. Open the water bottle and pour some water from the bottle into the bowl. Then add 1 tablespoon of sugar that will be food source for the flower. 1 tablespoon lemon juice that will make the solution acidic, and 1 tablespoon bleach that will be the safeguard for the flowers from microbes like bacteria. Mix to dissolve the sugar and to make homogenized solution. Plant food is good to go. For more interesting experiments, please subscribe to our channel.